Why buy a new one, when you can take advantage from this rare opportunity, to own this beautiful vehicle? Automatic transmission, a great price. Carfax One owner, Galpin certified with 171-point inspection, 4-wheel drive, anti-lock brake system, 4-wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo, backup camera, CD single disc, cold weather package, cruise control, dual airbags, F&R side airbags, hill start assist, keyless entry, power door locks, power seat, power steering, power windows, privacy glass, roof rack, stability control, third row seat, tilt wheel, traction control. Please call our professional internet team. All advertised prices exclude government fees and taxes, any finance charges, any dealer document preparation charge, and any emission testing charge.